story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2018 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.